sir, 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 Spiderman.
Hello?
We So wait, hold on. Wait.
I'm
Okay,
waiting.
so
Uh-huh.
we have this Doctor Lightning. It was
Mm-hmm.
stolen from a koala in the depths of
Okay.
California coal mine, and it is aged from the first year of the world. Exactly
First
when the Big
year.
Bang happened.
Hey guys.
This was
So
made.
when the Big Bang happened, it created a
Go
Dr.
on for this.
Lightning and a koala,
Yes.
and someone to steal it?
So it is worth $3. Would you like to buy it?
$3. Hmm.
I fuck with your name.
You said it came from the beginning of time, like just after the Big Bang, right?
Yes. First year.
I don't
From a
know.
koala in the depths
In
of a
this
California coal
market
mine.
today, in today's market, I mean, the best I can do is 275. This is the best I can
I'm
do.
gonna meet you in the middle, 280.
I don't know though. Maybe if it was a capybara, but a koala, that doesn't really sell too much these
It was stolen
days.
from the koala's child.
Can we do 277?
277.1.
Point one. What do I like? Cut a penny in half to do that?
Yes.
A baby, but
Fuck it. Fuck it. You got a deal.
Awesome. Here you go.
All right.
We'll
I
do
draw.
business with you. Oh, you dropped it.
Well,
Take
no,
it.
it's all spilled out. It's gone. It's. Can I have my my money? Anyways, how's it going?